My favorite part about working at Alios is the camaraderie amongst coworkers and that everyone's willing to lend a helping hand, whether it's other ACEs, managers, or warehouse employees. Everyone's willing to step outside their specific role and help out. And the coolest project I've been a part of as an ACE has been starting up EPL. Since I work at a new Alios site, I've really been the first to spearhead it along with my manager. Everything's been running really smoothly, and we've even received some recognition from our customer.
It was really important to me that after I graduated, I joined a fast-paced team that offered career growth. Alios has provided so many opportunities to grow through their coaching, mentorship, and Accelerated Career Enhancement program. I've been here for 5 years and started in an entry-level role, and I'm now a director. It's inspiring being surrounded by people who are as excited to learn and grow as I am.
I am currently an ACE at Alios, and I am in my order management rotation. One of my favorite parts about working at Alios is the incredible people I get to work with day in, day out, and the endless opportunities that are available.
I work at the Cabell location, and one of my projects right now is shipping outside. It's pretty cool that we partner with huge clients and make sure that their supply chain solutions are as scalable as possible. Alios offers its clients next generation solutions so that there is a huge spectrum of topics that I get to learn about.